In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect earbuds to your Xbox Series S. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna talk about all the options that you have to pair a pair of earbuds that you have to your Xbox Series S. So, first, I want to make it very clear. Both the Xbox Series S and the Xbox Series X do not have native Bluetooth support for audio devices. What this means is that you will not be able to directly connect the earbuds to the console itself. So in this video, I'm going to go over workarounds and all the options that you have to consider in order to connect your pair of earbuds to your Xbox Series S. So first, the option that you have is to use an Xbox wireless headset adapter. So if your pair of earbuds come with a wireless adapter specifically designed for Xbox, you can use that. This is going to be the most reliable method because it is designed to work seamlessly with the Xbox ecosystem. And of course, all that you have to do is properly connect the adapter and then set up the pair of earbuds that you have to be detected by the console. So they should be working and you will be able to have the best audio quality and latency achievable. Next, you have the option to use a Bluetooth transmitter. If your pair of earbuds do not have a design for Xbox wireless headset adapter, then you can purchase a Bluetooth transmitter that can be plugged into your Xbox controller's 3.5mm audio jack. And all that you have to do is pair the earbuds with the transmitter once they have been connected. Keep in mind that this option in particular might affect audio quality and latency the most, especially depending on the type of Bluetooth transmitter that you get. The last option that you have, which is going to be the simple solution, is going to be to connect them through a wired connection. So if your earbuds have a 3.5mm audio cable, you just have to connect them to the pair of earbuds and connect them directly to your Xbox controller's port. Of course, like I said, this will not allow you to use them wirelessly, but it is by far the most simple and direct solution. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect earbuds to Xbox Series S. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.